Hey, what's up guys, Tech Life here, and today I'll be showing you guys how to replace the hard drive on your computer. So this works on all Dell laptops. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So for this, you'll need to flip your computer on its back, and you have to take out the battery. So basically for this, you're going to just unbuckle, like just go over here and just move this little latch over here to the unlock position, and just pull the battery right out. And then I'll put that to the side. And then on the bottom of your computer, there'll be around like I guess 13 screws or something. So you'll be needing to remove those. So as you guys can see over here, I have already removed the screws so that the video will go on faster. So to remove that, I used a Phillips star screwdriver right here. This one is like 10 bucks. I got it from like Walmart. So yeah, it's pretty good. You should find like the smallest kind so that it works better. And after you unscrew all that, you basically flip your computer back over and open it up, and then you'll need to pop out the keyboard for this. I assure you, nothing's gonna happen to your computer. So basically for this, you guys will need the smallest flathead you can find at your house. So basically for this, wait, let me move my camera a little bit closer. All right, so basically for this, you guys are gonna go into your escape key. So like right here, I don't think you can see it, but right here, as you guys can see, like right here, there's a little insert thingy, and then there's a little insert right in between F5 and the F6 key, and there's another insert by the F11 key. That one kind of broke out because I was like messing around stuff, and there's one right by the delete key. So basically what you guys need to do is that you guys need to take your flathead and insert it right by the delete key. So what do you call, obvious, prefer to use by the delete key. So you just like press it in, and there we go. You just heard that noise, that sound like that, and then just push in. So the plastic might come out first. That's perfectly normal. This keyboard case might come out first. That is perfectly normal. So let's put that to the side, and let's just go in, and then you might need to push up on it, and then you'll hear that sound. It just sounded like something broke. I assure you, nothing broke. That's just the sound of it releasing from the latch. So just get your hands in there, and then just carefully insert. All right, and boom, there we go. And then careful, and boom. There you go. You got the keyboard popped out. So then you just gotta flip it over, and then as you guys can see, there's a little tape thingy that says up and all that stuff in there. So basically, you guys have to you see that little thingy over here? Wait, hold on, let me just get it focused. All right, you see this little area right here, this thing. So you'll need a flathead screwdriver, like the one that you use to what you call, like fix your eyeglass and stuff, like this one right here. This is like very small, and I use this one. So I got this from Walmart for like $3, the whole kit with like all the screws and all that stuff. So basically, you see this little this little brownish colored area right here. I don't know if it shows up correctly as brown or whatever it is, but let me just move this a little bit. All right, so you guys have to just put it right here. Put the little the screwdriver right by the up sign is, and then just push up until that one pops open. And then this cable, you just slowly pull it out. And so this right here is the keyboard, and this is the cable. So let's put that aside. This right here is the palm rest area. So for this, there are two screws. There are two screws, so there's one screw right in here, and there's one more screw right here. So you'll need to unscrew these ones as well. And this one. Oh God, all right. All right. So now there should be 3 little cables like the one earlier. So there's one right here, and there is one right over here. So this one right here, and so let's. Oh wait, there's there's only 2, because the third one was the keyboard one. So let's just unplug those. So you need to get your smaller lens lens fixing thingy, and then you just have to get it in there. You have to be really careful, like really careful. Over here, you have to get it on that little brown, like that gray-ish thingy, and just pull it up, and then you can hear that little tick. That means that it's ready to be pulled out, and you just pull that little blue thing out and do the same thing on the other side. So just get it focused over there. So just very carefully, just pull it up, and you just unplug this little blue cable right here. And then now you just like get your screwdriver, like the same one that you used right now, and then insert it right here. You see where this piece is right here? There's a little line. Just insert the end into there, and then pull it up a little bit, and then just keep doing that to all the sides. Get it in there a little bit, make it all like good, and then get your hands and try to wiggle it out. Alright, that's not working, so let me do this again. Oh. You might need to move it around a little bit. Alright, there we go. You need to get it in there, and then just move it. There we go. And then get your fingers in there. So just like get it real good, like right there. And then just pull it. And then once you pull it, so it's gonna just come right out. Like, just pull it up like this and out. So this is the palm rest, and this is the cable that we unplugged, and here's the other cable that we unplugged. So let me just put that to the side. And over here, this little thingy right here, this thing here over here is your hard drive. So before we get out the hard drive, you have to make sure that your hands are clean. There's nothing on your hands, so just like just rub it off or whatever, and then with your thumb, just press down very lightly in the middle, so there should be a little thing here, like a little centerpiece. Put your thumb right there, press down very lightly, and then push it to the right. And as you can hear that, it means that it's out, and you just pull it right out. And you have to, if you have a replacement one, you can just get it. So let me just get mine real quick. And just put it back in. And just slide it into the left and just push it in. That's it. And now it's time to put back all of the stuff. So starting with the palm rest. So let's get the palm rest over here. So you have to put it in like this and just drop it. And then just press in everywhere. Just make it click in. Just make sure that it is clicked in. Ready? Alright. And you have to put in those screws back. So let me get the screws real quick. Alright. So screw number 1 goes in to this spot right here. So let me get it in to my screwdriver and just drop it in. Then get the other one and put it in right there, right over here. So get the other one and then just drop it in and make sure it's nice and tight. All right, now it's the other tricky part. Now it's time to put in the cables. So the first cable right over here, this one right here. So I don't know if you guys can see that, but let me try moving this a little bit closer so that you guys can see better. All right, right here. So you're gonna take this little blue cable and push it in. Give it a pretty good push. Like get it right, nice and good right in there. So let me just move this a little bit this way. Then insert it in. You can feel it like when it's in. And then now you take your eyeglass fixing flathead screwdriver, and while pushing the blue piece in, you just slowly push in that little gray area from either side, and boom, you got the first cable in. Now it's time for the same thing on the other side. So just get this one over there. And push it in. Usually this one's the more trickier one, because this one has a tendency of like not going in correctly, so you guys might want to get that figured out. Like, all right, push that one in good, and then just press down the little gray thing over there. So just slowly push it in. And make sure it's in there tight. All right. Now it's time for the keyboard. So let me get the keyboard. So now if you want to put in the, what you call the keyboard case, I guess, just slide it in. And just make sure that it presses in evenly. If you have to press it in, just go for it. Just press it in evenly everywhere. Just get it nice and solid in there. hold on, mine's a little off, so let me just press it in completely. Hold up, sorry for the delay. It might, like, if it happens to you, if it like what you call like pop out, like what happened to me, it's gonna take a little bit of time for you to adjust it back in. So yeah, you just have to just work with it. And all right, I got it in, and now it's time to put it in. So first you just lay it down like this. Get that cable good in there. So you just let's see. So the keyboard goes in like this. So then like this. So you just take the little cable that the keyboard has, turn it like this, so that it's like this, and then you insert it. You insert the thing. Oh god, this cable. All right, you just insert that right into the older spot. So it might like move around by itself and stuff. That's fine. So just make sure that you get it good into the slot. So this is a pretty tricky part, because this guy determines like if your keyboard works or not. So, oh god. So you just have to like, you know, get it in. I wish I had smaller hands than this. All right, there we go. Finally it is in. All right, and then like that, you just push in that little brown thing. So it's just gonna move down. Just get it in there. Get it right in, and then get your little eyeglass fixing screwdriver real quick, and just, oh god. All right, there we go. Boom, done. And then take your keyboard, just insert it back in. So you just gotta like, you know, go like this way, bottom first in, and then press it in. As you guys can hear, like that click means that it's going into place. So then it's time to screw up the back pieces as well. So let's just flip the computer over, and it's time to get screwed. So if you want, you guys can just get a little what you call little pot or something to put it in, and if you want, you can just skip the video a little bit over here, because there's pretty much nothing else here. I'm just gonna like, you know, just screw this one back in real fast. So I'm just gonna move this so that it faces the correct direction that I'm in, so like I can just get this done faster. And if you guys can find like the electronic ones, like you know, the ones that you put in the battery and just go it like automatically screws it, that will save you a lot of time. But I sadly do not have that one, so I cannot use that one. Oh god, this screw is getting on my nerves. This stupid little screw. Alright, right there. And if you guys are wondering, like, if you guys are still with me, and you guys are wondering, like, where you guys can find a hard drive, I will leave a link in the description. So basically, I found this site. It's called peopleparts.com. They have like everything for all like all Dell items or like computers, everything. So if you guys ever lose a screw or something, you can just go to that website and they'll have it ready right there for you. And the hard drives range, like the prices range from its capacity. So the one that I have in here is a 500 gigabyte one. I got that for $39 or something from that site. So yeah, so basically once you put it in, you're basically good to go. There's like no other problems with it. So yeah, where did this go? So this one goes in there. Nope. Oh, all right. And some of these screws have an issue, like they are coded like they're like made to fit only some of the slots. So if you ever encounter those, like just you know, just mess around a little bit with it and oh god, this one last screw. Alright, and then you just get the battery. So just line it up and just slide it right in. You'll hear that and you're good to go. Your computer should be working. Your hard drive should be perfectly good. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like this and subscribe to my channel. It'll help me a lot, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day and you get whatever problem that you want fixed. Thank you.